we've done a lot with hooks already. Add action, that's hooking into something. Always. So in this case, we're hooking into init, which doesn't render anything. It's a point in time rather than someplace to print code or something. Down here, we're hooking into WP print styles, which is both a place and a point in time. WP print styles is a hook. And there are, oh boy, we should look at the hooks. Here we go. So these are the built-in WordPress hooks. Oh, I need to go there. So I'm just going to scroll kind of quick down through these. So these are built-in WordPress hooks. As you can see, there are a fair number of them. These allow you to write a function and use add action to run your function on that hook. Maybe it's a point in time, maybe it's a place in your page, or whatever. There's an after setup theme. There's after the WP object is set up, the template redirect. There's WP head. If you hook something into WP head, it's going to print whatever you send it in WP head. So it might be some comments, it might be a really lousy way of getting your CSS file in there. Who knows? There's WP print styles and print scripts. The red ones don't have any documentation. They're there and they work, but you'd have to figure it out on your own. There's WP footer, so you can hack something into your footer. There's before admin bar render. There's shutdown. So just as WordPress is about to end, you could do something. Practical joke, run exit, and everything goes away. What are some other good ones? The admin menu. That's how you get stuff in the admin menu. If you're making your own plugin, you want an admin menu bar, you use admin menu, you can just hook whatever you want in there. These admin and queue scripts and admin print styles and stuff like that, those are what you want to use if you want to include a piece of JavaScript that only runs in the admin area. And you can even get more precise and say only in the admin area on a certain page, so that your JavaScript isn't getting loaded on every single page that doesn't need it, and to make your page load faster. So there's a bunch of admin stuff. So this is interesting. There's add attachment and delete attachment. You can run some code to do something on an attachment immediately after add attachment completes. So if somebody attaches a PDF, then you can say, okay, as soon as that's done, run my code. And you can do anything you want. You could sanitize it, smoosh it. You could delete it. You could do any kind of, all kinds of stuff with that. Before delete post. So someone hits delete on trash or something. You can write a little code that says, you know what? Pop up a JavaScript alert first and say, are you sure? And if they say yes, well, then on you go. Pre-post update. So somebody hits update, you can run some code first to do whatever you want. Save post, insert post, all those times. We have a little bit of code that we wrote at VNN that runs after an image is uploaded. So you upload an image, it makes all the sizes, and we still have one that's 3,500 pixels wide and taking up a ton of space. So we say after an image is uploaded, run this, hook in this little bit of code that copies large to original. So then original is now 1024 by 768 instead of 3,500 pixels wide. Boy, just about anything that happens in WordPress has a hook. Now, something that's cool is that it's extremely easy to make your own hooks. One of the reasons I love the Startbox theme engine is that he sprinkled in a ton more hooks than usual. So you can say things like, after the title, print this little bit of code, or before the title, print this little bit of code. And you can hook that in from your functions file or a plugin or whatever, and you're not hacking templates anymore. You're just saying, go do this. And it makes it really easy to pretty dramatically change your templates without actually touching your templates. So your child theme folder stays almost empty, which is very, very cool.